I will tell you three words that instantly makes you sound intelligent. Number one is meticulous, which means very careful about details. So instead of saying she is careful about her work, you can use she is meticulous about her work. Number two is resilient, which means able to recover from difficulties. So instead of saying she is strong and does not give up easily, you can say she is resilient and does not give up easily. Number three, and one of my favorite, is versatile, which means capable of doing many different things. So instead of saying he is a flexible employee, you can say he is a versatile employee. Must add these words in your daily life and don't forget to follow for more.